Okay, so look like this game recording and that one is recording, so let's begin with a B&H mailbag mailbag. So when I got my first B&H order, they shipped another package separately. Now, I bought adapter from B&H for these little GoPros, as you can see, which you probably can't see if I, there we go. There we go. So for these GoPro. Now, if you ever owned these GoPro in the past, you know you had to buy a dongle adapter. Now, the older GoPro version in the past did have a microphone jack. So after the intro, we will begin taking this out of the FedEx mailbag. So we'll be back. I bought adapter from B&H. It was $39, so, but obviously if I go with the cheaper one, there's one key feature I really like about this particular adapter, and I know everybody's a little bit different about, you know, buying accessory accessory from GoPro, you know. But if we take it out, and this is in a plastic bag. So as you can see right here, which hopefully the camera is in focus. Excuse if this is out of focus, but let me remove this shiny wrap. Yes, so this is a GoPro adapter. Let me knock down the exposure for you. There we go. Yeah, excuse if it's out of focus. So as you can see, this is the adapter for the GoPro. So, probably nothing too much in the packaging department of thing. So, yeah. Yeah, $39 for adapter. Oh, I am destroying the box. I guess I might as well grab, if this box will ever stay up. There we go. There we go. Well, I ruined it. There we go. There we go. Okay. So, here is the box. So if we pull this top and so if we slide it out. Oh, it's upside down. And here is the adapter right here. So, nothing too much, just a little instruction manual, just in case you are new to using the adapter. So, yeah, the cool thing is, so you got power. No, this is the microphone, this is the headphone, but beside it is the power. So you can have the microphone charging as you record. So you can plug this one in. It's using the Type C. Wonderful if you have a battery pack, being the GoPro battery life has been a little bit short, or excuse if I touch the microphone. Then you got your 3.5mm microphone jack. Is this 3.4mm? And you plug in, there you go. So you got your power in, you power and microphone in this little box. So obviously as you can see, you did plug this in into the GoPro, and that's what I showed you earlier. That's where you plug in your microphone and power to it. So pretty neat little adapter if you want to take your audio a little more seriously. So and I know these adapters, I know some people have good luck and bad luck, so so hopefully this will work out pretty good. So so now I can add my audio techna. So excuse the noise. Oh, this is gonna be noisy, I know. So now I can use this audio techna microphone on top of my GoPro now. So I got my GoPro here. I got the GoPro cage that will allow me to use the microphone. So yep, so this is a very quick unboxing. It's just a adapter. So funny enough, I was going to do the unboxing separate, but you know, I had to do it. So this is going to probably be a mailbag and an unboxing of a GoPro adapter. So yeah, so it's very simple to run. It's not that complicated. Yeah, see, there was not too much material on this. It's just a simple little piece of paper to tell you before using your GoPro mic adapter, you need to update your Hero 5 camera with the latest software. So that's what I did earlier ago, or that's what I did in the past. So when I first got the GoPro Hero 5, I decided to update the firmware. So should work out of the box just fine. So pretty much I'm gonna let you go. So if you found this video very interesting, or if you stumble across my video because I did a mailbag unboxing from B&H, or if I unbox a adapter from, not adapter, but if I unbox this GoPro adapter, please feel free to check out other contents on my YouTube channel. So two different ways. In the video note below the video, there is a link, so if you did click on that link, it will take you directly to my video gallery. Then another way too, the little bit harder way, is by clicking on my username. And if you click on my username, it will land you on my little YouTube homepage. And once you land on my YouTube homepage, then you can click on the video tab, and when you click on the video tab, you should be landing onto my video gallery, as you can see behind me. So but if my video did caught your interest, you know, from vlogging to unboxing to other stuff, or if you like my content on my channel, feel free to subscribe or follow me on Google+. And if you did subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the, if you want to be up to date with this YouTube channel, do make sure you hit the bell icon. And once you hit the bell icon, YouTube should be notifying you of any video that I have uploaded, or if I have of live stream. So then give video a like or dislike, and check out the video notes. So do click on show me more on the video notes. If you don't click on show me more on the video notes, all you're gonna see is the link that will take you directly to the video gallery. But if you click on show me more, channel email address, then Amazon wish list. So if you want to support various related project, then feel free to support if you want to, and if you did support the various project, I will give you a shout out. So whatever shout out you would like to have, I will give you a shout out if you did support my Amazon wish list. Then community detective forums. So if you want to sign up with one of those community detective forums, feel free to say hi to me. Then yeah, communities. Then if you have any nice comments, feel free to post them below the video. So I will see you next time in the next exciting video. So I will catch you next time.